Mirror, mirror, on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all?
Magic mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all?
Famed is thy beauty, Majesty, but hold, a lovely maid I see. Rags cannot hide her gentle grace. Alas, she is more fair than thee.
The word pretty used to mean crafty, and later got more positive connotation like skillful and clever. The word silly has quite changed, as in Old English it meant everything from happy to fortunate and innocent. Eventually, it became synonymous to ignorance, bringing us to the current meaning. You wouldn't believe it. The word nervous used to mean something totally different. It used to mean somebody who possesses great strength. It's not fun to be sad these days, but in Old English times, it used to mean to be satisfied, usually in regards to meal, when you are full after some meal.
Brat. Now in English that means a child that's just misbehaving or maybe spoiled or just acting ungrateful. Well, in Russia, brat is the same thing as saying brother. So if you called someone a brat there, you'd be referring to a brother. Very different. The next word in English is fart. And I think we all know what that means, to pass gas. Now, if you say that in Norwegian, Danish, or Swedish, it means speed or a moving object. Totally different. And if that isn't funny enough, if you said I fart in Denmark, it would mean the elevator's in use. Go figure. The next word is gift. We know what that is when you give somebody a present. In Scandinavia, it has two meanings. The first one is to get married, and in German, Danish, Swedish, and Norwegian, it means poison. So if you were giving someone a gift there, you were giving them poison. Totally different meaning, not even close. The next word is crap. And so that has a couple meanings in English. One would be like, I don't care, I don't give a crap, it means nothing to me. Or crap could mean when you went to the bathroom, or a bunch of junk is a bunch of crap. In Romania, it means a fish sandwich. So they kind of just switched the letters, so it probably was carp, became crap, I'm not sure. Seems like something went wrong, very wrong. The next word is mist. So mist for us is when it's a little foggy or misty outside, a little bit of moisture in the air, you can't see through the mist on your window, something like that. In Germany, it means manure, dung, garbage heap. It could be like a curse word the way they use it, the way we might say crap is to some other words, but for them, mist is not necessarily a nice word.